Right, so this next song was inspired by a Bundette from the Ohio chapter. She challenged me to write a song called Pray For Me, I Married a Scotsman. So I cut it down to Pray For Me, got a selection of stories for out and about other trials and tribulations of being married to a Scotsman. And, I mean, if nothing else, it's definitely entertaining. I hope you agree. Pray for me, I married a Scotsman, for I thought he looked good in his kilts. I was real teen fan, he looked in my ear, and the way his words made my hair melt. Pray for me, I married a Scotsman, for I thought he looked good in his kilts. I was real teen fan, he looked in my ear, and the way his words made my hair melt. 12 lads I ken, 1 week afore marriage, went out for a dance, drum and feed. One broke his leg, so the first dance was rare, and he got a stiletto up his forehead. Another een came home for sea, instead of gone home, he's drumming in the oak tree. He sold his flat and used Barbies to go and see Scotland World Cup Germany. Put a feather in his bonnet, Barbies by his heat, for he'd gain his dear wife never kent. Then a groom gets in hassle, killed pictures we quaint, missed the bus, so a scooter was sent. Pray for me, I married a Scotsman, for I thought he looked good in his kilts. I was real teen fan, he looked in my ear, and the way his words made my hair melt. Can I sleep a winking? I'm driven to drink, I'm fizzing, I'm just spits and chips. And I can't share with you the venom and filth that's about to come out from my lips. 'Cause my man's drinking whiskey and barking at the moon. He's banging his boardroom to Scots rebel tunes. I wish he would sleep or I'll chop out his tongue. If I hear one more reek, he's gone back to his mom's. Pray for me, I married a Scotsman, for I thought he looked good in his kilts. I was real teen fan, he looked in my ear, and the way his words made my hair melt. Knew he's really did it, can I believe it I'm seeing? He better may think he will sleep long. He's peed in the wardrobe, the fleer in the shells, knew my new sheet and reeking a strong. So I come down the stair and fit meets me there, but some random loon crashed for the night. I'm scumfished, he's reeking, this isn't quite human, there's definitely something they rack. I'll hate to throw out my cushions and they match it, my curtains, try there to keep this rage inside. But I'll hate to drive this random yoke dog loon back to his ingot side. Pray for me, I married a Scotsman, for I thought he looked good in his kilts. I was real teen fan, he looked in my ear, and the way his words made my hair melt. Gone into labour, my man sat and eating, he's finishing his toast for breakfast. My mother came in about, said you need to move like a new, so he shafted at last. We drove at a ton, knew that was no fun, there's a road and a screen in the back. Barely sat down, here comes your baby loon, I ride the hour and birth at 5 past. a long stand, but if it is, then dinner you fear. Loads feedback on the wireless, or read up your bruise, but dinner pinch her gas and air. Pray for me, I married a Scotsman, for I thought he looked good in his kilt. I was real teen man, he looked and mine, and the way his words made my hair melt. Just mind quaints why you married a Scotsman, for his passion, his soul or his heart. 'Cause he makes you smile, though he should probably be in jail, but you can't pay him, you wouldn't part.